Archaeological discovery reveals a luxurious colonial-era garden maintained by enslaved workers. Archaeologists in Virginia have uncovered a lavish colonial-era garden in Williamsburg, where enslaved people cultivated exotic plants owned by the family of Martha Washington's first husband. This garden belonged to John Custis IV, a tobacco plantation owner and member of Virginia's colonial legislature, who was also the father of Daniel Parke Custis, Martha Washington's first husband. The excavation revealed that Custis designed the garden to display his wealth, with findings suggesting it was about two-thirds the size of a football field. Researchers used Custis' correspondence with British botanist Peter Collinson to determine that his enslaved gardeners maintained various exotic plants. Notable among these was the crown imperial lily, native to the Middle East and parts of Asia. In the 18th century, those were rare and luxurious plants, accessible only to the wealthy, much like a Lamborghini today, noted Eve Otmore, the master of historic gardening at Colonial Williamsburg. The garden's strategic placement offered a clear view from Williamsburg's only church house at the time, reinforcing its owner's social standing. Descriptions from the period depict lead statues of Greek gods and topiaries shaped into balls and pyramids. Archaeological teams unearthed substantial red cedar fence posts, some as thick as 3 feet, along with gravel path, a large central walkway, and soil stains indicating where plants once grew in orderly rows. There are ongoing efforts to recreate Custis' Williamsburg home and garden known as Custis Square, based on landscape archaeology instead of surviving maps or diagrams. Unlike some historical restoration, this project relies entirely on detailed excavation findings. Interestingly, Custis is believed to be among the first in Williamsburg to mention growing tomato, referred to then as apples of love, which are native to Mexico, Central and South America. The enslaved workers also cultivated strawberries, pistachios, almonds, and 100 other imported plants. Recent pollen analysis suggests the presence of stone fruits like peaches and cherries. The excavation also unearthed a PS coin, commonly worn as a good luck charm by young African Americans, and shards of an earthenware chamber pot, a portable toilet likely used by enslaved people. In addition to these artifacts, archaeologists found evidence of animals buried under some of the fence posts. These include two decapitated chickens, a cow's foot, and a snake without a skull buried in a shallow hole that may have once held a plant. We need to do further research, but discovery like these push us to better understand the lives of enslaved people who inhabited this space, Gary said. Thanks.